This screencast will show you how to post to a discussion board through Duquesne Blackboard. To create a post through Duquesne Blackboard, the first thing you must do is go to the Duquesne Blackboard website through the web browser of your choice. In this case, I'm using Google Chrome. After arriving at the website, input your username and password. Then you can click Login. This should then take you to your Blackboard homepage. You then want to locate your courses that can be found on the left-hand side of your screen. Since I want to post to a discussion board for my Instructional Application of Technology course, I'm going to find that course and click on it. This will then bring you to the homepage for the course that you chose. Now you want to find the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. This will look different for each course depending on how the administrator has it set up. In this case, the discussion board is not located directly in the menu. To get to it, I must click on the Tools area. Once you click on this, you should be able to see a list of all the tools that are available to you. You then want to find the tool for Discussion Board. As it states, you can create and manage forums within the discussion board. After clicking on the discussion board, you will be able to see the forums that have already been set up for your course, if there are any. In this case, I have 3 that are already set up. You can see the forum title on the left. Here I have field hours verification, group formation and topic discussion, and podcasting script. Next, you can see the description for each of the forums. Depending on what the creator of the forum typed, you may be able to briefly read a few details about each forum. The next column tells you the total posts that there are in each forum, 19, 40, and 19. The next one tells you how many posts that you have not read yourself yet. And the next column tells you the total participants in each forum. At the bottom of the page, the right-hand side, you will see how many items there are. Then you have the option to show all of them. Because I only have 3, all 3 items are already being shown. You could also click on the Edit Paging if you choose to determine a specific number of items to be shown. In this case, it's set to 25. However, since I only have 3, this doesn't affect my discussion board settings yet. The top right of the discussion also includes a search bar that you can click on to search for specific forums if you do not want to look through all of them. Now, to post to a discussion board, you must choose the forum you wish to post to. In this case, I will choose group formation and topic discussion. As you can see, a few threads have already been started. If you want to post to a specific thread, you can click on the thread of your choice. Once you click on the thread, you will see all of the posts that have already been created within the thread. Again, there are many options at the top of the thread that may be beneficial to you depending on what it is you want to do within the thread or how you want it to look. To post within the thread, you can simply click the button Reply. When replying, you will be asked to create a subject for your post. For the sake of posting to the discussion, I will title this as Test. The large box area is for you to type your message. There are several text options available to you, including fonts, the size, color. There are also tools for adding pictures and video and other attachments, even a place for adding the emoticons if you choose to do so. These tools may or may not be helpful to you. It just depends on what you are posting. So to create the post, you're just going to click in a large box and start typing your message. Once you type your message, here is where you can change your settings. So I'll change the font size and the font type. You can even change the color, add underlining, bold, whatever it is that you need to do to add to your post. If you forget what some of the tools are, just hover your mouse over each one and a title or description will come up telling you what each one is. Next, you have options to cancel your post, save as a draft, or submit your post. We're going to submit this to the discussion board. If you scroll to the bottom, you will then be able to see where your post submitted to. You can then create another post if you choose to do so, or others can reply to the post that you just created.